Good morning,
Please,
sir.
come.
Good
Please,
morning, ma'am.
please.
Thank you, sir.
Sony,
Yes.
if we add one A to you, you will become a national figure. Sonia.
No, sir, my name is Namita. It's my surname.
Namita, you did your IIT from Bombay,
Yes.
IIT Bombay.
Yes, sir.
Which is the first IIT in India?
Sir, it was IIT Kharagpur.
When was it established and who was the promoter of it?
Sir, it was established in 1952 and the promoter...
61 if I am not wrong. I am not sure. Please, who was the visionary of IITs?
Sir, I'm not
Jawaharlal
sure.
Nehru. Jawaharlal,
Okay.
he first thought of it.
Right.
You are working with Honeywell.
Yes, sir, I used to work with
You
Honeywell.
used to work. What are the activities of Honeywell?
So they have wide-ranging activities from developing building technologies to aerospace engineering as well and safety equipments. So my work was mostly in software domain.
You got Indira Priyadarshini Award.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Tell us about Indira Gandhi and her achievements.
So Indira Gandhi was the first female Prime Minister of India and the only female Prime Minister till date of India. And her achievements include firstly the 1971 war which India won and which led to the creation of Bangladesh. And secondly, sir, also the nuclear tests were conducted during her regime. So this was also an achievement. And apart from it, the Green Revolution also started during the tenure of Mrs. Gandhi.
What is your assessment about emergency which she has imposed?
Yes, sir. Emergency was a grave concern that was there, and which is actually a black chapter in the history of India, which curtailed the freedom of speech and as well as the media and the press freedom also was curtailed. So this highlights the grey nature of her ruling. That
How many years you have completed of emergency? Recently it was
yes, sir. 50 years
50
are
years,
completed.
50 years. What was the outcome of emergency in the public?
So firstly, the ruling was changed for the first time. Instead of Congress rule, the non-Congress rule came into the center in power.
Which year?
In
Janata government came into power in which year?
1977.
Who was the Prime Minister?
Sir, it was Mr. Morarji Desai.
Correct.
Who was foreign minister? Was the foreign minister?
Morarji Desai government.
Okay, yes.
Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Right, sir.
You have opted for the sixth preference, IA and AS.
Yes.
IA and AS.
Yes.
Who is the head of that institution?
So Comptroller and Auditor General.
What is his role?
Sir, he ensures financial prudence in the governance and help in holding the executive accountable in the financial matters with respect to the legislature.
Who is the present CAG in idea?
So I am not able to
Sanjay
recall.
Mukti, an IAS officer. He is the head of the company. What is the spelling of Comptroller General?
COMPR.
It is M, not N.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are correct. You did aerospace engineering.
Yes, sir.
What is the present state of Chandrayaan?
Sir, the orbital that is there in function, but the rover and the lander are like not in the active state because of the temperature conditions, but the orbital that we send at the time of Chandrayaan 2 is functional and sending the signals back.
What are the centers of ISRO? Centers of ISRO. How many centers are there and where are they? Where is the headquarters?
Headquarters is located in Bangalore only.
Yes. Then they have two more
Yes,
centers.
Vikram Sarabhai Center is there in. I'm not able to recall. the
Ahmedabad?
place. Yes.
Then another one.
Another one is launching site. I am aware about that in Sriharikota.
Sriharikota.
Yes, sir.
So where is Sriharikota? In which part of the country? State and which district, if you remember?
Sir, it is in Andhra Pradesh district, almost at the border of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. And sir, the district.
Tirupati
Tirupati.
district. Who is the head of ISRO now?
Mr. V. Narayanan. if I'm not
Correct,
sure.
correct. You are correct, sir.
Tell us something more about yourself. Namita.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So, sir, I was born and brought up in Bikaner, that is a district in Rajasthan, Western Rajasthan.
Very, very famous for so many things.
Yes, sir.
Maybe it will become famous for Namita Soni one day.
Yes, sir. And
Tell us.
sir, my father is a goldsmith and my mother works in Women and Child Development Department. She is a Child Development Project Officer. And sir, in my free time apart from academics, I enjoy watching my Indian mythological shows, and I also perform practice Zumba dance on a regular basis.
This is
Mythological shows.
So,
What is mythology?
so mythology, in my understanding, is the study of the myths, as well as to some extent when we talk about Indian mythology, there are historical elements also present, but which are related to supernatural powers, and the beliefs of religious and spiritual beliefs are being studied. That is mythology.
Good. So, you believe that Rama was there, Mahabharata took place, all that you believe?
Yes, sir. I believe that Ramayana and Mahabharata happened.
To what extent you believe?
Sir, as per my belief, the basic things happened, like the basic core story was there. So that was happened because we have the places like Ayodhya is there, Chitrakoot and the Lanka. So, and even the Mahabharata, we have the places called Hastinapur and such things. We have the evidences as well from Mahabharata in the literature. So, but I believe that the peripheral mythological attachments, so the myths that are there, they vary from region to region. So, the core story might have happened, and the peripheral things can be called to be supernatural.
Peripheral things can be called supernatural.
Yes, sir, which actually might not have happened, but it is in the belief of the people like that.
Like Pushpak Viman, did it fly or not?
Sir, we don't have the evidences that Pushpak Viman actually
Now
existed.
Vimans are flying here.
Yes, sir.
Why not Pushpak Viman can also fly?
Sir, it might have happened in future. Maybe if we get the evidences, then we can say it like with short proof.
Why you want to join? You are already in civil services, no?
No, sir.
Not civil services.
No, sir.
It's not civil services, no state.
Yes.
Designation of issuing authority. Sorry. Who is the issuing authority? Should be the sub-regional magistrate.
That is for the
Certificate number.
certificate. Yes,
The
sir.
OBC category certificate.
Yes, sir.
Issued by the sub-regional magistrate.
Yes, sir.
Is he competent?
Yes, sir.
SDM is competent.
Yes, sir.
What are powers he has got? Powers of the SDM.
So the powers of the SDM included the revenue powers, as well as the law and order management, and the implementation of the various government schemes, monitoring with respect to that, as well as the gazette. He is also the gazetted officer, he or she. So, and he also they have the power for giving these certificates and the signature on that.
Why is called sub-regional magistrate?
Because they also have some extent judicial power to some matters.
There is no judicial power.
Okay.
He is not a judicial magistrate. He is only an executive magistrate.
So,
What is the difference between judicial magistrate? That is, you go to the courts, CJM, JMFC, Judicial magistrate first class,
Okay, sir.
district and session judge.
Yes, sir.
So they have the judicial powers.
Right.
And SDM has the powers of the executive magistrate.
Okay, sir.
Its powers of the executive magistrate includes issuing the caste certificate.
Right.
Hmm.
Thank
Is that
you.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Your gun license, who will issue the gun license?
So, is it the SDM?
Executive magistrate. Issue
Yes.
the gun license. That is how it is.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hmm. You heard about CRPC?
Yes, sir.
What is that CRPC?
Criminal.
What is called some
procedure.
other name?
Yes, sir.
What is the new name?
The new name is Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita.
And old one?
Criminal Procedure Code.
So that separates the powers of the judicial magistrate and the executive magistrate.
Right.
So you want to become executive magistrate, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
DM of your district.
Yes, sir.
You will have both the powers. Powers of a, what do you call in Rajasthan? The district collector. Is collector and district magistrate, or what do you call?
The same name only, Collector and District Magistrate.
What
Both.
is the role of collector? What is the role of district magistrate?
So they are one and the same, but
No, they are not the same. Otherwise, why they are called collector and district magistrate?
so in Bikaner, what I knew was that both the functions are performed by the same authority. So I thought it is the same only.
Collector is concerned with the revenue collection.
Revenue, yes, sir.
You know what is revenue?
Yes, sir.
Land revenue.
Yes, sir.
And magistrate is concerned with the executive magistrate powers. So, like you mentioned about law and order.
Yes.
What is law and order? Tell us.
So for the smooth functioning of the state and ensuring the rights of the citizens, certain laws have been enacted by the competent authority, that is the parliament. So in order to protect the rights and maintain these, that citizens abide by this law, we have some authorities created which try to ensure that the law and order is maintained so that no chaos is there in the society.
Law and order maintained means what?
That people abide these laws that are there in place.
Why it is called law and order?
Sir, if I may take a guess, if citizens follow the law, then there will be an order maintained in the
That is
society.
the right thing. Why you making a guess, right? That is the meaning. Follow the law, order is maintained.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Anita, when there is a lot of demand for aerospace scientists, why do you want to leave it?
Sir, I don't want to leave it in the sense that I'm not going to, I don't like the domain, but I was working in a private company as software developer. So, yes, sir. So, I believe that my aerospace knowledge can be used in the public governance sector as well, because right now is the time when our space sector is growing up. We have new policies in the space sector as well, and the aviation sector is also growing up. So I believe my knowledge can be used there also.
You want the common man to be taken to the space. Well,
Hi Namita.
Hello, ma'am.
What's the meaning of your name, Namita? Do you know?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Namita is derived from a Sanskrit name, Sanskrit word which is Namati, which means to bow down and show respect and also humility.
Sanskrit is one of your subject in school education.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me any sloka as such?
Ma'am, I can quote the shloka of Bhagavad Gita.
Yes,
Oh.
carry on.
Yes, ma'am. कर्मण्यवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफल हेतुर्भुर्मा ते संगोस्त्व कर्मणि.
It should be much more clear.
you read it in the shloka form with a little
Yeah, clarity.
musical tone.
I'm not aware about the music associated.
Whatever,
But give the
just read
clarity
it
of the
as a
word.
You know how
slogan.
they speak in the films, you know, dialogue. Heroine, how she speaks. Hero, how he speaks.
Okay, I'll try to
That,
say
you know, voice, resonating voice should come out from
That
your
gives
voice.
impression to the panel.
Mm.
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफल हेतुर्भुर्मा ते संगोस्त्वकर्मणि.
Meaning
Know
of
the
it.
meaning?
Ma'am, the meaning of this is that you only have the control over your actions and not the result of the same. So you should not be bothered about the result of the action, and neither should you detach yourself from the action. You should focus on your actions instead.
You are interested in devotional songs. You
Yes,
like to listen. Who are the lyricists? Give me few names of the devotional song writers or lyricists.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, one lyricist that I know is Swati Mishra, with whose songs I usually listen, and another one is Payal Dev, and one more is Manoj Muntashar, sir.
Who wrote Hanuman Chalisa?
Ma'am, it was Tulsi Das ji.
Good.
That's all, ma'am.
Yes. You have taken anthropology as your optional.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me who is father of anthropology?
Sir, Franz Boas is called as the father of anthropology globally.
Okay. So it is actually Aristotle. He is known as the father of anthropology. Okay. So your hobby is you are reading the mythological theories. So can you link this mythology or myth to the anthropology? Is there any anthropologist who talked about myth?
Yes, sir. There was one anthropologist named Levi Strauss. He studied the myths and mythologies, and as per which the myths basically establish a connect between this real world and the other world. So human beings think in the form of binary opposites, and myth try to establish a connection between them.
Okay. So can you define the structuralism theory?
Yes, sir. So it is this only that human beings are pre-programmed to think in the form of binary opposites like good, bad, sweet, sour, and such things. And there, as per structuralism, there is a mediating category which tries to resolve this contradiction in the binary opposite. And also there is one theory where exchange takes place between the opposites, so that a social relation can be established. For example, the moieties in a group that are divided in us versus them, and there is an exchange of women to create a social relation.
So what basically the structuralism means is, where this structuralism originates? What does the Levi Strauss talk about that?
Sir, it talks about the structure in the society, how the social structure have been established because of how human beings think.
No, that is basically the mind,
Mind.
structure of the mind.
Yes,
That is
sir.
reflected in the society. Okay. So can you name few tribes of Karnataka?
Yes, sir. It is Kotas, Toda, Badagas are there, some of the tribes in the Nilgiri region.
Okay. So how you are going to use this anthropology knowledge as a civil servant?
So firstly, anthropology help us study the root cause of any problem, because there are 4 branches, that is socio-cultural, physical, anthropology, and such like linguistic. So it helps us in holistic understanding of any of the issues that tribes are facing. And secondly, sir, anthropologists promote cultural relativism, that is no judgment with respect to any of the society. So it will help in establishing a better rapport with the tribe and addressing their problems and providing a better culturally accepted solutions.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Namita,
Yes, sir.
you have a smiling face. You will go with the same attire? Yes.
Sir, I might have a different
No,
style.
no.
Is it
Suitable. You are correct regarding Kharagpur. It is in 1951. There is no problem. Learn more about aerospace.
Yes.
Chandrayaan, Mangalayaan. Can you tell something about Mangalyaan?
Yes, sir. So Mangalyaan was launched in 2013, and ISRO became the first institute globally who achieved this feat of reaching the Mars orbital in the first attempt. And sir, it was launched in PSLV launch vehicle. The other things.
Learn more about
Yes,
it.
sir. Right.
And who are the competitors for Chandrayaan? Other countries.
Yes, sir. So one is China, which landed on the southern pole right after us, and there is Japan. We have a mission planned with Japan as well for next Chandrayaan mission. So these and US private companies are also going for the southern pole of moon.
You learn more about it.
Okay, sir.
You are good, bound to succeed.
Thank you, sir.
Few changes you have to bring about.
Yes, sir.
One is, you have good basic knowledge, no doubt about it. You know about anthropology, which must have been a foreign thing for you when you started learning. Why you chose anthropology?
So when I was deciding on optional, a couple of seniors had this optional. So I was confused between maths and anthro. So I realized that it will help in other papers as well, and the syllabus was shorter. So if I want to cover it in a faster way, it will be helpful.
More scoring,
Yes, sir.
less efforts,
Yes, sir.
more marks, isn't it?
So although maths as an optional is way more scoring, but it's very lengthy to prepare as well. So anthro in that sense provided an edge, and also the overlap with other subjects.
Yeah. So level of confidence, you have to show more confidence
Yes.
when you tell answer a question. And about your voice, you see, dialogues, when they dub their dialogues in the films and all that, they put lot of efforts.
Yes, sir.
It's not easy. You see, in the first film, the dialogue, how Sri Devi would have spoken the dialogue. She did not know Hindi at all. You know, she came
Yes.
from Tamil Nadu. And later on, you see how she improvised in her diction and amplitude and clarity of the voice and all. So that should reflect your confidence.
Yes.
Why Amitabh Bachchan is liked by everybody so much? Because the resonance that he has got in his voice,
Yes, sir.
which is natural, but it can be cultivated.
Right, sir.
See, when you are a collector of your district, you have to command, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You just can't beg, okay, कर दीजिए भाई, तहसीलदार साहब ये कर दीजिए, ऐसे नहीं होगा ना?
Right.
You have to command with a commanding voice.
Yes, sir.
So, improvisation over your diction
Yes.
and show the confidence.
Okay, sir.
So, okay, all of us have passed that stage. I attended an interview 48 years back. Definitely you'll be a little nervous and all that.
Yes, sir.
But show the confidence. If something is wrong, doesn't matter.
Right.
Right,
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Namita, you are good at language also, language and literature. Try to focus on both sides. Language, along with other papers, concentrate on language also. Because Hindi and Sanskrit are your main papers in school and college education.
Yes, sir.
Work on it.
Okay.
Try to say slokas perfectly.
Okay.
Okay? Not in a hurry.
Yes, sir.
All the best.
Other
Thank
than
you.
Bhagavad Gita, if you can recite one more
Sloka.
from Ramayana or Bharata, if it is possible,
Yes, sir.
that
If you
would
know.
be better. That would be, more questions on Sanskrit also may be there.
Okay.
That's all.
It's very hackneyed, na? Karmane madhikaraste ma phuleshkara. Very hackneyed shloka.
You've chosen a good guy. And,
Yeah, Namita, according to me, you are a very good candidate. Yeah, that confidence and you are speaking well also. So only thing is be thorough with your DAF again, like aerospace engineering sir told, and also be thorough with the anthropology also. Basics you just revise, brush up, and then.
From Bangladesh you have migrated or here or working somewhere here?
No, my sisters live here, so I'm staying with them for time being.
No, no. Sorry, sir.
Yes.
You have any questions to us?
Sir, regarding the confidence part, what sir has told, I also realized that I am a bit nervous and underconfident when I enter the room, maybe because of the fear of being judged or something like that.
Very natural. It's very natural.
Yeah.
I told you it's very natural. Huh.
So,
Even now, suppose I am asked to address a gathering something, I'll be nervous.
yes.
Very natural process. Amitabh Bachchan also said, when he is asked to appear,
He was rejected by All India Radio.
Yes, sir.
it's a very natural process.
Yes.
Go to nearby Ayurvedic shop, if there is a confidence medicine.
Why you came for this mock interview? To gain confidence.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
We have to give you, infill you, how to do it and all.
Yes.
Right, Amma?
Thank you
All the
very much.
best.
Thank
all
you,
the
sir.
best. This one you can take with them.
एक वीडियो